Amazfit Smartwatch. So I'm going to take it out. Okay, it was well packed. This is how it was. So you can take it out the charger of it. This is the charger. Okay, here you can see the watch face. When you press this home button, it will be unlocked, and you can see the backlight is on. So you can easily navigate. Actually, I have set up this earlier. So after that, you can see the messages, even SMS or any application messages. You can easily navigate like this. If you need to delete it, just slide it right and it was deleted. So actually it face is smoothly functioning, as you can see. So if you need to go to home screen, just press down home button. So now you are in the home screen. So if you swipe it, you can see the available options. Alright. Okay. So outdoor running, treadmill. So these are the activities it has. So activity log. So this is the path I walked yesterday. So actually it's nice. So GPS is very accurate and it count even one step you put over, right? Okay. So let's go out. So activity, weather. You can see alarm, timer, compass. So you see the watch faces available with the phone. So these are the watch faces available. So if you need to set anything, just click on it and click OK. Right, it was set. So if you need to change it again, just go to settings, watch face. About this. Okay. So okay, that's it. It's a nice watch, and the screen is very beautiful and it looks very sharp and bright in sunlight. So not like mobile phones, the screen is get brighter when you go out and it will be always switched on. So it was a nice feature, and the battery life is excellent. I think it will work over 40 days, I'm sure that. And the GPS accuracy is very high. So all over, it was a good choice for your money.